What's going on YouTube? David here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a 0 to 60 in drive sport, and drive manual. Let's get this video on the road. Gonna get a 0 to 60 in drive, traction off. Now we're gonna get a 0 to 60 in drive sport. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, let me know what I should do next. I should cut up, go on the highway to 495. Let me know. Give you a review, a tutorial. I plan on installing carbon and fiber soon. LED emblem, the 7 colors. Also plan on getting underglow. We'll make a video on that eventually. Just currently gotta get things situated and get that video out for you guys. 0 to 60 in drive sport right now. 60 roll drive sport. That wasn't bad. Drive sport feels a little more torquey, which is really good if you want to get the pull. I mean, it's a G25. I mean, you can't really expect much power from it. It's pretty gas efficient, honestly. That's what's really good for it. And the VQ tone, can't go wrong with it, honestly. If you're looking for something that's decently quick, gas reliable, and sounds nice to you. To me, it sounds nice. It's all about preference. So right now I could get a little quick pull for y'all. Ready? To be fair, I was turning as I was in manual, so might be off a few seconds. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, let me know what I should do next. Plan on getting the LED installed for y'all on the emblem. I'll show you guys how to pull that off. Probably next video will be the carbon trim. That's my next order. Just waiting for that eBay order to come out. Peace out, guys.